This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Here's an announcement. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses and other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The Nagaland Government has created 3 new districts, Tseminyu, Nuiland and Chumukedima. The state has now a total of 15 districts. The decision was taken during a state cabinet meeting held under the leadership of Chief Minister Nehru at Kohima yesterday. Addressing the media, MLA from Tseminyu, Mr. R. King, said it was a historic day for the Ringma community. On behalf of the community, he expressed gratitude to Chief Minister Nehru and the cabinet members for fulfilling their long-cherished dream. Taking to Twitter, Minister Jacob Zimomi shared his delight on the creation of Nuiland and Chumukedima as new districts under his assembly constituency. The Meghalaya Government has directed all its employees to get vaccinated against COVID-19 before the 23rd of this month. The direction was issued in compliance with the order from the High Court of Meghalaya. Chief Secretary R.V. Suchiang directed that in the event any government employee is not eligible due to medical reasons, the District Adverse Events Following Immunization Committee will review the case. Based on the committee's recommendations and certification only, an individual may be exempted from taking the COVID vaccine. The Chief Secretary directed all government departments to follow this protocol with immediate effect. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated newly installed CT scan and ultrasound machines, a PSA Oxygen Plant and other facilities at the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences in Imphal East district. The inauguration of health facilities were done on the occasion of the 14th Foundation Day of the Health Institute yesterday. The Chief Minister, who is President of its Governing Council, said the government has prioritized the health and education sectors and introduced many schemes like Ayushman Bharat, CMHT card to provide free healthcare facilities to economically backward classes. Glorious tributes were paid to the doyen of Khasi literature, Soso Tham, on his 81st death anniversary in Meghalaya yesterday. The Khasi Authors Society, in collaboration with the Department of Arts and Culture, held a program to pay tributes to the legendary Khasi poet at St. Anthony's College, Shillong. Assembly Speaker Metbah Lyngdoh spoke about the contributions of the noted poet in Khasi literature. Various organizations and student unions held functions to mark the occasion. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, while paying his tributes, said the literary masterpieces of this great Khasi poet laureate lives on through the education system. The Meghalaya Government has issued standard operating procedures for the upcoming Christmas and New Year celebrations. As per the SOPs, church services including midnight services are permitted, subject to compliance with the SOPs on preventive measures to contain spread of COVID-19 in places of worship. The government has recommended staggered services at churches and has allowed outdoor services within the compound of the church, provided the gathering does not exceed 75% of the capacity. Persons above 65 years of age, those with comorbidities, pregnant women and children have been advised to stay at home. However, persons who are fully vaccinated may attend the celebrations. All participants actively involved in the celebrations have been advised to get themselves vaccinated with at least 1 dose. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.